I'm off Beadnell again with Brian and Paul, both in the sibs, and I am a little kayak. Probably thinking, am I going to get one? Let's just say I'm thinking. Have been thinking since middle of this year, because I just want to extend my range, go further out, do more, go to other places where you may not get with a kayak due to, I don't know, tides, currents, things like that. So we'll see. But anyway, I'm just heading south out of Beadnell now. Tide's on the ebb, so it's going that way, so really I'm battling the tide here. I'm only doing 3.5 mile an hour. Normally I'm doing 4.5. So it's going to drift us north and see what we'll pick up. See you there. Yes! Fish on! Knock, knock, knock. And he came for it. Dead weight. Up on, he's scrappy on. Get in. Uh-huh. Would you believe? Tail hooked. Hey. Hooked you through the tail, poor thing. Sorry about that. But I'm off the blank. That's the main thing. Change of colour. Bright green. That was a fish straight away. And he's back again. That was 2 knocks straight away. Looks like that's the colour they're after. Lime green. Got you over my shoulder again, because obviously the sun's in my face. So got the drog out. Kind of slows down. Just to make it more comfortable. It's still kind of a big tide, but still, it's not bad out here. Fish on! Yes! Feels quite decent for a change. And he's a long way down. Oh, yes, sir. There we go. There you go. Off the official blank. Oh, that was off and on. Yeah, that wind's getting up. It's full on wind against tide, that. Fish on! Oh, what? This is just hanging. Come on. Come. Yes! Back on the plastics. Oh, go on, get it on video. Why do I need to fall in? Well, there's my leader. Oh. Thank you. Oh, Christ. He's hooked on the outer part of the lip. That's better. You need to change your metal. Oh, 2. Right, there you are. That's better. How Brian? What do you reckon? That's a fish. That's a sneaky fish. Ooh. That's another one just scrapping on and hanging us out. Come on. That's a blue shad again. On the blue. Shh, come on. Thank you, that will do. You sure you want to stay on the bait? Aye. That'll do me. To shift. Alright. Way, fish! Fish on. Yeah. Bumpity bumpity bump. Mackerel. Coddy, coddy. Coddy. Behave. Hey, lad, these hooks are fantastic, like. Come hither, aye man. I could, but I'm not. Yeah, what a day. What a day. Rough start, very rough start, and look at it now. Caught fish. Done some big drifts, I know that. tried the wreck here off Beadnell, but couldn't do it. I was drifting too fast. So we're just moving down closer to home, so it's a less travel in. Stabler's out, trying to take the piss out of us. But yeah, looks like a sib's on the cards. See how it goes. See what happens. See what happens. Speeds I've never seen. Huh? Oh, I've lifted it. Yeah, that's it. That's us heading in. Bit of a slow start. Bit of a hairy start with that wind against tide. As you can see, it's levelled off, flattened off. It was forecast too. Either way. See where the tide is. It was right up when we went out. Might be halfway up when we come back in. Oops. And we'll see you next time. Not sure where, as usual. You never decide where I am going to. Not this time. I'll watch this space anyway. We'll see you again then. Tight lines.